Let's move on. We have another round of breaking update. This is with regards to the June Air India plane crash, and now being said that this row has been put up in before the Supreme Court in this PIL that has been filed in the top court, where the petitioner seems to be calling out the AAIB report as incomplete. Now, there are several claims that has been made, citing that the report is incomplete and selective, and the pilot error unfairly that has been mentioned, and also the report seems to be overlooking technical anomalies. Let's get in a word from Harish now. Harish, good morning. This PIL on that Air India fatal crash seems to be seeking full disclosure of the flight data and also the cockpit voice transcripts, especially when it comes to the conversation that happened between the two pilots just before the crash.
Yes, that's right, Amita. In fact, the tone and tenor of the PIL is there. Enough is enough. Let everything come out now and put it in the public domain. This petition has been filed by the NGO Safety Matters Foundation. It demands full disclosure of all flight data, cockpit voice transcripts, and technical records of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner crash. Petition also prayed for transparency and independent oversight in the investigation. It sought the court's intervention to compel the Center and Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, AAIB, to release all factual data from the ill-fated flight AY171 and appoint neutral experts to monitor the probe. It's the PIL alleged. The preliminary report issued by the India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau is incomplete, selective, and unfairly attributes the cause to pilot error while overlooking technical anomalies and systemic failures. So the lawyer for the Safety Matters Foundation, the NGO which has moved to Supreme Court, has told Times Now that mentioning will be made today, taking an urgent hearing.
All right, if a mentioning is made, remains to be seen if the Supreme Court agrees for a hearing. This is an NGO that seems to be filing a PIL in the Supreme Court that has sought full disclosure of the flight data, and of course when it comes to the transcripts, what happened in the cockpit just ahead of the crash, that fatal crash that happened in June this year. Harish, for the moment, thank you very much.